Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to find or change your YouTube TV password. Have you ever forgotten your YouTube TV password and been locked out of your favorite shows? Or maybe you just want to change it for security reasons. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to recover your forgotten password, and also how to change it to something more secure. We'll cover both accessing YouTube TV through a web browser and directly on your TV. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tricks. We release new videos every week. Okay, let's get started. Section 1. Recovering a forgotten password web browser. First, let's cover what to do if you've forgotten your password when accessing YouTube TV through a web browser on your computer. 1. Go to the YouTube TV website *, open your web browser, and go to tvyoutube.com. 2. Click Sign In, * in the top right corner, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it. 3. Enter your Google account email or phone number *, this is the Google account you use to access YouTube TV. 4. Click Forgot Password. ** on the next screen, you'll see a Forgot Password link below the password field. Click on it. 5. Follow the Google account recovery steps * Google will present you with several options to verify your identity. These may include * getting a verification code on your phone or to a recovery email address. * answering security questions you previously set up. 6. Create a new password * once you've verified your identity, Google will allow you to create a new, strong password. Make sure to choose something you'll remember, but that's also difficult for others to guess. Consider using a password manager to help you generate and store secure passwords. 7. Sign in with your new password *, that's it. You should now be able to sign in to YouTube TV with your new password. Section 2. Recovering a forgotten password TV. Now, let's look at how to recover your password directly on your TV. This process can be a little trickier, but it's definitely doable. 1. Open the YouTube TV app * on your smart TV or streaming device. Open the YouTube TV app. 2. Select Sign In * Find and select the Sign In option. 3. Choose Use a different account * you may see a list of accounts. Select the option to use a different account. 4. Enter your email address * enter the email address associated with your YouTube TV account. 5. Go through the account recovery process * just like on the web, you'll need to follow the Google account recovery steps. However, doing this on your TV remote can be cumbersome. It might be easier to start the recovery process on a computer or phone and then sign in on your TV once you have a new password. Section 3. Changing your password web browser. Okay, now let's move on to how to change your password if you already know your current one. Again, we'll start with the web browser method. 1. Go to your Google account * open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use for YouTube TV. 2. Navigate to Security * in the left-hand menu, click on Security. 3. Find Password * scroll down to the How you sign in to Google section and find Password. Click on it. 4. Verify your identity * you may be asked to enter your current password to verify it's you. 5. Enter your new password * enter your new, desired password in both the new password and confirm new password fields. 6. Click Change Password * click the Change Password button to save your changes. Section 4. Changing your password TV, less common. While it's not as common to change your password directly on the TV app, you can still do it by going to the Google account settings through a web browser, as we just demonstrated. The changes will then apply to your YouTube TV app on your TV. There is no direct way to change the password only within the YouTube TV app on a TV. You always have to do it through the associated Google account. Section 5. Tips for strong passwords. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for creating a strong, secure password. * use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters. * include numbers and symbols. * make it at least 12 characters long. * don't use easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. * consider using a password manager to generate and store secure passwords. Conclusion. And that's it. You now know how to find or change your YouTube TV password. Hopefully, this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.